So, yeah, we're going to sleep in that cave tonight. Right there. We could. Alright, we'll go. They don't want to stay in the cave. There was a guy back there, had a really cool campsite right on this little river. He said, hey guys, y'all looking for a campsite? I'm going to be pulling out in an hour or so. If y'all want to hang around, he said, y'all want this site? There is a great campsite. But there's no way you and I would ride this road. We bet a half a dozen Jeeps on there. Jeeps on this rough ass state. I said, there's no way. There's no way I'd take my $60,000 Jeep down here. And Tony said, there's no way I'd take my $6,000 Jeep. But I love you, honey. And I hadn't read the note yet. I forgot last night. I was so damn tired. And this morning over coffee, I didn't think about it either. But I'll read it tonight for sure. Yep, I took it. Actually, everybody, I've taken it without being reminded every morning, but everybody reminds me anyway, but I've already taken it. But this morning, we were getting ready to leave. Brad said, take your medicine? I said, no, damn it, I hadn't. He said, all right. I said, well, thank you, Brad. Brad reminded me this morning, yeah. Yeah. So, oh, was it dry enough to mow? Yeah, did you get it all mowed? You got it all mowed? That's what I meant, the back where I couldn't mow. Oh, fantastic. That's fantastic.